Have you heard the latest FILMARK MEGAVTV Best Nollywood Movies? Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK MEGAVTV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK MEGAVTV. Hello.
Noma kedu ke ba hapuzele munamo we jebezele gosun makomu no ya 6 months iche no na
yes so hey
let me finish teaching this thing. Let me go and get your food. Oh?
Please don't keep me too long so that I don't sleep.
I will not be long now. Hey, one night. Have you heard the rumor that is going on in this village?
Rumor? What rumor?
About your friend, Mazudekwe, that he got their house help pregnant.
And so? And so what? Eh? So what? How can a woman leave her husband under the care of an ordinary house help? A mature girl for that matter. As if water run in his vein. Eh? And you expect him to be watching her like television. Eh?
No, what are you saying?
Woman, go get me the food.
No.
That time we went from Nkechi Somugo. You should have stayed 1 year. Let me see if you not come back here and have a tattoo name. Second wife. Nonsense. Because all up with that food. Rumor, Mazude.
Hey! Nkwa. This is how you go food. Every nakano. I'm every nakano. Every nakano. I will never leave you.
It's very
if I leave you, I go where? Let me tell the whole world, that I'm for you. I will not leave you and go anywhere.
Oh, the mama. Just after eating your food.
Okay.
This food is very sweet.
Okay, yeah.
Eat.
Are you telling me? Yeah. Hey. Okay.
Nine.
Chapter closed.
But I'm still scared.
Scared of what?
Everything.
What is everything? Tell me.
I'm scared of the return of Auntie. I am scared of your children.
I will talk about children. You're getting scared. What are you talking about? Who is that in this community that I can't find my box? I find the person to a standstill. Members of my family, bought my chicken change. And then I miss you to a pam. I couldn't money over.
Are you sure? You will protect me.
Me won't makage. There we go.
No mama Veronica
Now.
No kedu ke ba hapuzele munamo we jebezele gosun makomu no ya 6 months
No one.
Yes, Kunia.
Okay.
Please, people should stay well. Oh?
Yes,
No, Fuma. Oh?
Mama, hold this. That is 30,000 naira. I don't really want you to be traveling the road carrying too much money. Okay? Before you get to the village, I will do a transfer of 150,000 naira for you. Okay? Take part of it to take care of Papa's medical bills and then manage the other one.
Is he managed? Is he managed? Man, where go? Hey! Mama!
Yes, ma'am.
This in-law you are to me. You will be my in-law in this life and the next life. Oh God! My God will bless you richly.
Amen.
You see the baby, he's sleeping. I made him sleep.
Mama!
Always make him to sleep. I came for Mobo now. That is my responsibility. And I'm handing it over to you. Take care of the baby.
Okay,
when
Mama.
he's sleeping, it's difficult for him. Give him sock. This is the medicine.
Okay, darling. I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey!
No ma, you left me all alone and went for move on. You have refused to come back. Suddenly your home is down. Hellfire and Lagos. After 6 months,
I'm enjoying what is happening. Yeah.
Is this sweet?
You're asking me.
Trust me.
Even if it's not sweet, the hand that cooked it is sweet. Oh, I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot in the. Don't have any fear. Hearing me? Don't have any fear. In-law. You're welcome, huh? Okay. Wonderful in-law. You had safe trip coming here, and I wish you safe trip going back. Nothing will happen to you. Okay, sir. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So, hey! Don't try it. Don't try it.
It's true.
It is true.
That you charmed my husband is true. On your shitty. Idiot.
Why did she do it? You abandoned your husband. How many months? How many months? They are not good. Let's hear you.
What did I do to you? What did I do to you? 33 years of marriage. This is how you want to compensate me. Want to disgrace me in this village and entire community by bringing this into our marriage.
You disgrace yourself.
How?
How long does a woman stay in Amugo? Highest of a month. How long did you stay? 6 full months.
So?
You're expecting me to do what? To dry up. Kambatia. Can we go to my West Yanko? Even another. If you're about me, you bring a 1 million wage 6 months. Mom! And look at that. He's my solace.
You are shameless. After every labor, I go to the farm, I cultivate vegetable. Sell zobo, sell kunu. Let me go to Amuba and have a little rest to myself. After laboring for 33 years in your house without one single enjoyment.
Each time I called you while you were at Amugo, what were you telling me? That you are not ready to return? 1 month, 2 months, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh!
The justification to do this.
I've one. Next one is a hammer.
I will kill you.
Bring your weapon.
Iforoge, I will kill you. I will make sure you die.
I'll bring your machete. I'll bring your elbow.
You are in labor. You're this, you're that. You're the only person that has ever become pregnant.
Look at my beauty. My beauty is inside.
It will not be well with you.
She's bubbling.
If I let me how you are, tell the world that you're shameless.
Maternity home where she will deliver, will be Queen's England.
You will pay.
She won't pay anything. Go rest. Hey, come here. Let me tell you. I've given you the license.
I don't want trouble.
Who will give you trouble in my home? My own home.
I don't want trouble.
Let's even close that chapter. You know the chapter we are in now, to reminisce on how we came to this point. This point. Come closer. Don't go far. Let me warn you. You're going to deliver twins for me. No argument. Just agree. Yes. Okay, Jima. Same yes. Jima. I'm a man when you need me. I don't want to go Naja. Mama. Ejima, say yes. Say yes to Ejima. Twins.
Richard, that reminds me. So, you mean to tell me that your mother-in-law just changed her mind overnight, just like that?
I'm telling you, that's the way I saw it. You know, yeah, because the husband is really down, right? And he needs someone to take care of him, and there's no other person that can do that except the wife.
That's true.
Her reason is sustainable.
That's true. Richard, you see, this is one of the many reasons why we need to have a woman that will take care of us when we are aging.
I know.
When we are
very important. Yeah, absolutely. And that reminds me, I need to call my father-in-law to check up on him, right? To actually know how he's doing.
That's very important. Trust me. You don't want to be labeled the bad son-in-law.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all, bro.
No, mama. My husband has killed me. But my problem is that what would he be wanting from a girl? A house help like Veronica, a little girl, one banse. What would he be wanting from her? What kind of embarrassment and shame does he want to bring upon me? Even me, yeah?
Understand. It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy. Oh? Don't be too hard on yourself. Okay? Men are like that. You know them. When their companion stays too long outside, they will look for a way. Any means to satisfy their urge. Just take it easy. Take it easy. And pray to God. God will calm this situation, okay?
Let me just call my daughter. Let me tell her what I'm going through.
Take it easy. Stop crying. 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 Take it easy on yourself, okay?
Hello. Oni. Your father has killed me.
What? Hey! So what Auntie Patricia said was true? Hey!
I don't even know where to go hide my face in shame. I cannot move around. I am so humiliated. I don't know.
My friend, take it easy.
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? Everything will be all right. Just take it easy. Stop crying. Hey. Mama, it's like my husband is back. I'll call you back later, okay?
Okay.
I don't have nkwa mụ na gị kwere mgbe anyị gbara akwụkwọ maka na ichere ọmụgwọ ijeze nọrụzie n'ọmụgwọ chezozie na mụwa bụ dekwe keri nri mụwa bụ dekwe oyi tugbuo mụ chai ịchụbago m n'ime aka Veronica na-achụzi m oyi Veronica na-enye m mgbago na-enye m mgbada Veronica na-enye m nri yo.
Who's in this house?
Vero! Yale Zobu! Veronica, my daughter! Why? Veronica, why did you allow him to do this to you? Hey! My God!
And where is Mazu Dekwe? Where is Mazu Dekwe? Ebeka Ono?
No. You're welcome. Did you give them cola? Let me bring cola for you.
Mazu Dekwe, I'm very disappointed in you. When you came to me, begging me to release my niece Veronica to you after your daughter got married, I thought you had a good intention. Little did I know you wanted her to end up this way. Mazu Dekwe.
Mazu Dekwe, I'm disappointed in you. You have reduced the respect I had for you to 0 level.
Mazu Dekwe, you didn't even bother to come to us or call us to tell us what happened to our daughter. Rather, you allowed us to hear it from a source not worthy and credible of an issue of the basin as impregnating our own daughter out of wedlock. Mazu Dekwe, a traditional man like you? How?
Please, I want to say this. Whichever way the two of you look at this issue, I am at fault. I am full of apology. Please. What I want to ask now is, what is it that is expected of me? What do you want me to do?
Mazu Dekwe, may I remind you that Veronica is the first daughter of my late brother, Mazi Echeteka. And in our custom, the first daughter of any family is not allowed to live in the house of a man who has not paid the marriage right on their head.
Nai, you are right.
Okay. Please, is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Go. So the truth of the matter is that initially, I didn't know that it will be possible for me to beg my way through for you people to allow me. But now you have made it very clear. I want to promise that I'm going to do it to fulfill any marriage right involved for us to have a peaceful coexistence. So next market day, I want to be seen in your compound for us to iron everything out. Udogari, I'm a man of peace. Now you have given me the go ahead in a winning way. What do you know? I'll come and fulfill all marriage rights. Because next September,
and Mazu Dekwe, it has also come to our knowledge that your wife Norma has been beating our daughter. Therefore, you have to come and pay the marriage right on this girl. As for that, your wife, her attitude towards our daughter has to stop.
Yes.
For peace to coexist between you and I and everyone at large.
As for my wife, I'll put her where she should belong. Your daughter is in love with me. I've fallen in love with this daughter. There's nobody on earth now that is in my heart like your daughter. I love her so much. Look at her. If one of her not leaving. What I'm praying for is that if I am not, I have a body, you know.
Okay, Mazu Dekwe, you've spoken well. So we'll be waiting for you.
Thank you. I'll come. What of a cola? Let me go and bring it.
No, don't worry. We are fine. We're fine.
Norma, how are you? I'm not fine. I'm losing everything. I am not fine. I've lost my home. I've lost my husband. I don't even know what to do. I'm so confused. I'm so pained in my heart.
I understand, my dear. I understand everything. But where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the house. I'm going to the market to buy something to see if I can cook and make his heart turn back to me.
That's very good. It's very good. Go and cook his favorite. Prepare something better for him. My mother used to say that old soup is more delicious more than the fresh one. So go home, okay? Before Veronica, your house help, came to your house, you were there already. Oh? I know he will come along. He'll grow to love you more, okay?
You're indeed my friend. What can I do without you? In spite of my depression, you always find a way to make me smile. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God will bless you.
You're welcome.
Let me go and buy the things,
okay,
so that Veronica doesn't cook and give him and he'll begin to reject my food.
It will not happen again.
Amen.
Okay,
Let me go.
Run
Thank you very
along,
much.
okay? Bye-bye. Disike.
No, mama, Veronica, no, ma,
What is this?
It's your food, Nai.
What is inside?
It's egusi soup.
Egusi? Hey. I used to eat egusi, no longer today. You should be aware.
But Nai, it's your favorite soup.
I used to eat it, no longer now. It no longer counts to me. Please.
Let me open it so that you see it well.
Hey! Abu! Isi Abu ki ibutelum. You want to lay a curse on me? No. Or ibuti isi Abu, you see Abu. No, even when I go elders meeting, nesi Abu, that's your plan. They banish me from meeting because of the smell. It is too strong a smell. Take it away, please. Biko.
Nai, I suffered to cook this food. Please help me. Eat it, Biko. Biko.
How can a woman who went into marriage say she is suffering to cook food? If you don't cook food, what do you do?
Eat it now, Biko.
By force? No, by force. You're implying by force. I thought you were going to be reasonable. If I say I won't eat, you take it away. So you lost your reasonability.
I should take it away.
I'm a millionaire away. Can't swallow the French. Can't swallow the soka. Eh? Can't see Abu. Hey! The one of Maya. How about me to Guanamo? How about Guanamo? Eh? You brought me Abu to eat. Kufu? Nesi Konya Bogalike. Eh? Oye can Esika Abu Nampi. Check every Walawa, Abu na Isimpi. Isi Abu Isimpi. Hey! Isi Abu Isimpi.
Have you heard the latest FILMARK MEGAVTV Best Nollywood Movies? Subscribe.
Do it.
Watch.
Enjoy it.
And comment.
FILMARK MEGAVTV on YouTube. We move.
FILMARK MEGAVTV. Heaven.